Good morning. Today, my topic is: Will humanity survive the curse of nature? Does nature create and destroy its own creation? Is nature dictating our minds? Are we in the grips of nature? Does nature itself create rift in society and between nations? Are we doomed? All humans have lust for power, money, and sex. There are some who are endowed with power and money. That leaves some with plenty, and many are left starving. People want money, they want to be loved, they want to hold position of power. Some learn to get it the right way. Some do not have the means or the mental makeup to do it the right way. So they go in for other means, and that may be criminal ways. These differences between the have and the have-nots create rifts in society and amongst nations. Civil wars and wars with other nations become inevitable. Is this nature's way to control us? Does nature want to contain our population growth or our development? Does it bend the minds of people towards self-destruction? Sometimes when I see death and destruction, either from natural disasters or through wars, and the inner turmoil in society, I have a feeling that we are powerless in front of Mother Nature, just mute spectators to death and destruction. It reiterates my belief that nature is controlling us. It creates and it destroys. We have no control over it. We are like ants. We live like ants and will die like ants. We are one humanity, but with so many divisions. We have divisions over language, over facial features, over being rich or being poor. People have prejudices. Some don't like your face. Some don't like the way you dress. Some don't like the language you speak. Some don't like being richer than themselves. Some don't like because you are poorer. Some don't like for what you eat and drink. Is it possible for every human being to be the same in looks and color, speak the same language, or have the same mental makeup? There will be differences, but these differences create rift in society. Every living human being possesses a good side and an evil side. The evil side of his mind is his animal instincts. The human side is developed through generations of controlling our desires and emotions. Society is very much responsible for exercising control over people by framing laws and punishing those who violate those laws. Whenever society had an upper hand, civilizations prospered. People became civilized. Whenever society failed to control the animal instincts in human beings, the lust for money, power, and sex, those societies remained uncultured and face difficult times even today in containing loot, murder, and rapes. Societies need to contain the animal traits that people have. Only then can we have peace and prosperity in society. Every society has got a handful of people who apply their minds. They think ahead, they think of the future, and the future of humanity. They think of outcomes before deciding on any action. The rest are governed by logic circuits in our mind. But logic says tit for tat. Logic says calls for war. Logic calls for valor and defeating the enemy. But that way we are headed towards war and towards self-destruction. Is nature watching the unfolding drama silently? Is it a part of the grand plan of the universe? Has nature programmed us for self-destruction? The only hope for us is our society, the civilized society, those handful of men who can bring sanity to this world and bring us back from the brink of self-destruction that we face today. Will nature devour us or humanity win the race for its survival? Thank you.